In this video, we will talk about how ArrayShield IDAS two-factor authentication works when integrated with any VPN application. Once a new user is added to the IDAS system, the user will get a registration email as shown here, with a link that takes the user to a registration page. New user registration involves three simple steps as shown. First step involves fixing card position. Second step involves selecting a pattern. Third step involves confirming the pattern. Let us start with step 1. First, user should place the physical array card on the bottom left corner of the computer screen. Next, user should mark the card positions by clicking on Fix Card Position button. Now, using the mouse pointer, align the top left and bottom right arrowheads on the card as shown here. Notice that a character array gets displayed with random values on the computer screen. Refreshing the page displays a new set of values in the array. Step 2 involves selecting a pattern. Let us select third row as the secret pattern. The values in the selected pattern should be entered into the secret code field on the right. Please make sure the pattern policies are followed while selecting the pattern. Step 3 involves reconfirming the pattern. Notice that the values in the array have changed. The values in the selected pattern, that is the third row, should be entered again in the secret code field. That completes the registration process for the new user. Now, user has to download and activate IDAS client by clicking on the link as shown here. IDAS client application along with necessary software gets downloaded onto the user's computer. Once downloaded, the software gets installed on the user's computer as well as launches automatically. User has to configure the IDAS client application by entering the username. User then places the card on top of the computer screen and marks the card positions using the mouse pointers as shown. Notice that a character array displays on the IDAS client application with random values. Also, note that a shortcut link to IDAS client will be placed on user's desktop. When the user wants to authenticate to VPN, the user opens the IDAS client, overlaps the card on the character array displayed. Now user can open the VPN application, enter the username, and enter the values as shown in the secret pattern in the password field. And click Login to authenticate to VPN.